If you are creating a video using a language other than English, or for some reason the automatic timing didn't work well for your video, the fastest way to synchronize your voice track, text and audio is to use the record timing feature. Here's how it works. First, go to the preview section of the app. Then click the manually adjust timing button. Here you can see the current scene of my video. And over here you can see the next scene. To manually set the transitions between scenes, all I have to do is click the record timing button. Your video will start playing and you can listen to your voice track and read the text on your current scene. When it's time to switch to the next scene, click the next scene button. Simply click the next scene button when you want each scene to appear, and in the time it takes to watch your video once, you will have manually set all your timing. Also, if you need to fine-tune a transition after you've finished recording your timing, all you have to do is grab the green line that represents a scene transition and move it to the correct place on your voice track.